no cover at all.
We can get behind that tree, dude. There's metal stuff right there. Let's just go back there, dude. We're screwed right here. Nick. Just get back here. What?
Drop my battery. You guys friendly?
Yeah, he's friendly.
Up in the tree?
He's out. Oh. Yeah, he's a friendly. Hey, get it right here, up next to me. Get down, dude. Get to the right. Get to my right. Dude, get to the right. I got that covered. Oh, like all the way. Get over here.
I dropped something here.
Watch out down there.
They're over here. They're over here. We had to fall back. Yeah.
Red team! Move in!
Come here. I'm good. How many risks? 3 times you've been died? No, this first one. How many lives we got? 3? 2. We have 3 lives, right? 2. Huh? 2 response.
Hey, I need a medic.
There.
Yeah.
3
here.
people in the bushes right over there. Come on over, come on. I'm standing here, you're okay. Okay? Can't get them. We have it fully covered. Just a minute right on the brush. Down. Full circle! Alright.
It's Tim.
Yeah, they yelled out medic.
Where'd you drop out your...
I dropped my anti-fog. That's what it was.
Huh? Nothing.
Yeah, they're coming down the trail right there.
Which one?
See where the admin is? Right where the admin is, that's where they
Dude, I can't see crap. I can only see our tires.
We got 5 minutes to hold this thing. Sam, don't stand out in the open. Push the bush trail.
We gotta move up next to our spot.
What?
We gotta move up next to our spot.
No. You stay here, we can still get them. Cause like we're gonna, like the thing will slow them down.
Do you want a battery now? You can change it quick. Here you go.
Look. That won't fit.
Well, it's 4 minutes.
That won't fit.
4 minutes, so just hold on.
And I still got a little bit of juice left. So
Yeah,
it's just,
fire semi.
yeah, it'll just shoot really slow.
Semi though, because
Him down there.
Tim, is that you?
Yep, they found it right here.
Tim's dead.
I know. You can't tag him back in though. Just wait.
I'm dead. more times.
Everybody in the center is dead.
Repeat! Only 3 minutes!
I'm hit.
Everybody in the middle pit. Don't shoot. Up here. Come on, move. Come on.
You believe he's been doing sitting on the edge out?
Watch out, watch out.
Get the shield.
Hey, I'm hit. I'm hit.
Get the fucking shield. Get the fucking shield.
Here, yo, take it. Behind us. Hey, Nick, get the trail, okay? Yo, if you got the trail, I got your back. If you hit me, I will! Dumbasses!
There's a lot of hate in there.
Is that a hit?
What the hell is it? You think right?
No.
I'm on your fucking team right here, doing this direction.
Not bad, man. I don't know.
Game over!
I was here the whole time with you.
I'm sorry.
It's alright because
Sorry, did I hit you anywhere bad?
Alright.